Hi, I'm Will.
And I'm Robyn,
and we're building on our land.
When we were choosing our home plan, we had a clear vision of what we needed. 5 bedrooms, an open floor plan, an office, a loft, and large porches. The Carlisle plan fit our needs perfectly, and we really love the elevation as well. This will be our 3rd home, and our previous experiences have given us an idea as to what works best for our family. This helped us prioritize what to include in our budget and decide which upgrades we could DIY once we moved in. To make the home uniquely ours, we made a few personalizations, like adjusting door placements, making electrical changes, and enlarging the porches. For the exterior, we opted for a combination of board and batten siding with brick, which we really liked. Inside, we added cabinetry in the kitchen, a fireplace, a tile shower, and hardwood stairs. As Keystone's Design Studio Manager, I often advise buyers to drive around and look at other houses to get ideas for exterior colors they might like. If we don't offer an exact option, we can usually find something similar. It's also important to consider which options are easiest to add during construction versus those that can be added later. Lastly, think about what you would really want versus what you cannot live without. You don't want to move in and regret not making that change. Stay tuned for the next video
In our Build on Your Land journey.